Hello there. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do the basic roll cast. Now, in big open spaces like this, you generally don't need it. It's when you have a bunch of stuff behind you is when you need to perfect the roll cast. Now, you're not going to be able to get it out there as far as you can cast overhand, but you can still roll cast 30 to 40 feet, probably is the maximum amount. Unless you're a spay guy, then you're going to probably roll cast that thing 80 feet. But this is for overhand, single hand rod. All right, so there is a technique. Now, when you roll cast, you do have to roll out enough line to where you have an anchor line that's in the water in front of you. And that's not the tapered leader, that's actually the fly line itself. You need to be able to have that anchor line out there because when you raise your rod up and create that D-loop you see with the line there and push it forward, you need to have that anchor to be able to help launch all the fly out there. So sometimes when you're roll casting, you're trying to get some line in the water to get ready to execute the roll cast. So essentially what you do is when you have established your anchor, bring your fly rod at about 1 o'clock. You see the fly line, how it's kind of creating this D loop behind my fly rod? You can kind of see it like that. That's when you're ready to go. And in one fell swoop, I'm gonna push my arm out and snap my wrist forward. So watch. Let me get my anchor line out. I'm in a river, so my fly is stuck. Now I'm gonna make the D loop 1 o'clock. And just like that, I roll cast probably, I don't know, 30 feet or so. That's not great. Let me switch sides here. Sorry if you're getting dizzy. All right, so now you can see my casting arm. So I'm gonna do the roll cast. Like that. And my line went out there about 20 feet, real easy. I got about maybe 30 feet of line out. So I got my anchor out in the water, make the D-loop, or make the, D-loop with the fly rod, and then I'm gonna push out, snap my wrist forward. Just like that. So try that next time, making sure you have an anchor line in the water. That is key, otherwise there's nothing to load the rod to create the cast. So rod at 1 o'clock, you're creating a nice D-loop, push out your arms, snap your wrist, just like that. Here we go. Boom. Just like that, it went out a long way. So try that next time. And again, that technique, right, you can just snap your wrist and do a little bit of a roll cast. But really what emphasizes the roll cast is pushing your arm out and then snapping your wrist forward. So it's all like in one great big motion. So try that next time. You should finish like this, and you're gonna find that, wow, all of a sudden your line's just gonna fly out there. All right, well, I hope that helps you the next time you're out fly fishing. And check out this video right here. It's about a 10-minute video. After this video, I promise you'll cast overhand, traditionally, not roll, but traditionally, better than you are today. All right, everybody, until the next time, fish on.